Ladies and gentlemen, the Academy Colors, also known as the Nishan, will shortly be brought onto the drill square. The colors, being the reward for collective heroism, have always marked the pride of a regiment. Men have made the supreme sacrifice, displaying acts of death-defying courage and unflinching. The second contingent from the left is Mektela Company and is commanded by Senior Under Officer Joycel Norona. On to his left is Battalion Cadet Adjutant Simran. The other appointments are Company Quartermaster Sergeant Mrinal Rawat and Junior Under Officers Mahendra Chaudhary, Kartikeya Garjola and in a short while from now, the Commandant of the Academy, A.J. Fernandez, Ati Vishish Seva Medal will be arriving. Lieutenant General Michael Anthony Jude Fernandez, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, is an alumnus of National Defence Academy, Khadakwasla and Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. The officer was commissioned in the Madras Sappers, cleared the Defence Services Staff course on a competitive vacancy, and also qualified in the Higher Command course and the National Defence College course. The officer is a gold medalist in electrical engineering from College of Military Engineering, Pune. He has had varied regimental, staff, and instructional profile during his career in the Indian Army. He served with the Indian Peacekeeping Force in Sri Lanka and commanded his company in counterinsurgency environment. He commanded his regiment in high altitude area as part of a mountain division. He has thereafter commanded an amphibious infantry brigade and an infantry division in the desert sector. He has various instructional assignments at NDA Khadakwasla, College of Military Engineering Pune, and 2 tenures as a directing staff at the Defence Services Staff College, Wellington. In staff, he has been the brigade major of an operational brigade in high altitude area, Colonel General Staff of an infantry division, and has served as a brigadier at the Military Operations Directorate in Army Headquarters. He has served with the United Nations. Last posting was as the Director General Staff duties at the Army Headquarters. Ladies and gentlemen, if you draw your attention towards the left, you will see a vehicle escorted by Lancers in which the Commandant, as per tradition, is arriving. Palms of their hands flecked with blood and calluses, stamping of their iron-soled feet, reverberating with the fervor of valor, smiling through pain and standing up tall after every fall. From the gentle shade of palmy laps of their mothers to scorching furnaces, our passing out officer cadets have come a long way, and today these scholar warriors bid adieu to the hallowed portals of the Parameshwaran Drill Square.
Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General Michael A.J. Fernandez, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, the Commandant, Officers Training Academy, Chennai.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments from now, we will all be enlightened by the arrival of the reviewing officer for today's parade, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani, Param Vishish Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishish Seva Medal, Vice Chief of the Army Staff. He will arrive shortly to take the salute. The General Officer is an alumnus of the 67th course of the National Defence Academy and the 77th course of the Indian Military Academy. The General Officer was commissioned into the Garhwal Rifles in December 1985. He has graduated from the prestigious National Defence Academy and Indian Military Academy. He is an alumnus of Joint Services Command Staff College in Bracknell, United Kingdom and National Defence College, New Delhi. He holds a Master of Arts degree from King's College, London, and an MPhil in Defence Studies from Madras University. He, in his illustrious career, spanning over 37 years, has served across a wide spectrum of conflict and terrain profiles and has tenanted a host of command, staff, and instructional appointments. The General Officer has insightful knowledge and a deep understanding of operational dynamics on both the western and northern borders. For his distinguished service to the nation, the General Officer has been awarded Param Vishish Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, Sena Medal, and Vishish Seva Medal. Shortly, you will hear the fanfare heralding the arrival of Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani, Param Vishish Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishish Seva Medal, Vice Chief of the Army Staff, our reviewing officer for today's parade. Ladies and gentlemen, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani, Param Vishish Seva Medal, Ati Vishish Seva Medal, Sena Medal, Vishish Seva Medal, Vice Chief of the Army Staff, Reviewing Officer of the Parade.
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade commander is now moving forward to give the report to the reviewing officer of the parade.
The motto of the Academy is Serve with Honor, which epitomizes the code of conduct of a soldier in all times and situations. The Academy has honestly and zealously striven hard to inculcate this lofty spirit in every officer cadet who passes out from here so that they can live up to their motto even at the peril of their lives. It is nothing but that sense of honor that may bring them back to their feet and send them in a last charge to hoist the nation's tricolor on the most hazardous of mountain peaks. Proudly holding aloft the Academy colors in the center of the parade ground stands the color party. The ensigned officer cadet is Senior Under Officer Ajit Kumar Kaswan, flanked by Company Sergeant Major Shailendra Singh Rathore and Company Sergeant Major Sanjeev Kumar Dahiya. It is a matter of great honor for these officer cadets to be carrying the colors. You will notice that the color party stands at attention throughout the parade.
आपके सामने परेड ग्राउंड, जिसको परमेश्वरन ड्रिल स्क्वायर कहा जाता है, ये हम सभी के मन में श्रद्धा और देशभक्ति की भावना को जगाता है। हम इस मैदान को अकादमी के स्वामी परमेश्वरन परमवीर चक्र को समर्पित है।
मेजर रामस्वामी परमेश्वरन परमवीर चक्र मरणोपरांत, जिनका जन्म 13 सितंबर 1946 को मुंबई महाराष्ट्र में हुआ। उन्होंने अपनी स्नातक की पढ़ाई मुंबई में पूरी की और जून 1971 में ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चेन्नई के 12वें शॉर्ट सर्विस कमीशन कोर्स नॉन टेक्निकल का हिस्सा बने। अपना सैन्य प्रशिक्षण सफलतापूर्वक पूरा करने पर 16 जनवरी 1972 को वो महार रेजिमेंट की 15वीं बटालियन में कमीशन हुए। उन्होंने अपने दृढ़ निश्चय और संकल्प के बल पर अपने आप को एक होनहार और जिम्मेवार ऑफिसर के तौर पर साबित किया और अपनी विशिष्ट गुणवत्ता के बल उन्हें महार रेजिमेंट की 8वीं बटालियन के साथ श्रीलंका में ऑपरेशन पवन के लिए चुना गया। दुश्मन के विरुद्ध असाधारण वीरता, ड्यूटी के प्रति उच्चतम समर्पण और बलिदान के लिए इस महान नायक को देश का सर्वोच्च वीरता पुरस्कार परमवीर चक्र मरणोपरांत से सम्मानित किया गया। इस ऑपरेशन में हमने एक बहादुर योद्धा को खो दिया, लेकिन भारत के इस वीर सपूत का यह परम बलिदान हमेशा भारतीय सेना और ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चेन्नई के इतिहास के पन्नों पर स्वर्णिम अक्षरों से दर्ज रहेगा।
The parade commander is now returning to her position to take command of the parade and lead the marching contingents in front of the reviewing officer. The precise movements as the contingents wheel and march to the famous martial tunes exemplify the training imbibed by the officer cadets in a grueling 1 year at the academy. Being an officer, above all, means being a leader of men. Officers Training Academy is the ideal opportunity for these young officer cadets to imbibe important aspects of leadership like courage, stamina, team spirit, physical fitness, mental toughness, and the will to win. This value system is very faithfully upheld by all the officer cadets of the Academy. In fact, they tend to develop a motto which says, winning is not everything. It is the only thing.
contingents have started the quick march to the tune Gangotri. Their swords and badges are shimmering in the morning light, pledging everlasting fidelity to our country. On their shoulders will rest enormous responsibilities from this day on. As young subalterns, they will be guarding many a frontier post in the ice-capped mountains where survival itself is a challenge. Whether it is the numbing cold of the glaciers in the north, the stormy desert frontiers in the west, or the dense forests of the east, these young men and women will safeguard the honor